Have you ever wondered how some people just seem untouchable? How they move in the world like shadows, while others stumble and fade? Today I'm going to reveal 48 powerful laws that can change your life forever. These laws aren't just rules, they are weapons. Used wisely, they can make you untouchable. Misused, they can destroy you. If you're ready to understand power, strategy, and human psychology, stay with me. This is not just a video, it's your guide to survival. Part 1. Foundation of Power. 1. Never outshine the master. Always stay a step behind your boss, your teacher, your mentor. Show respect. Hide your full talent. If you try to outshine them, they'll see you as a threat. They'll push you out. But if you stay slightly behind, subtly brilliant, their ego is satisfied, and they become your supporter, unknowingly giving you leverage. 2. Beware of friends. Use enemies. Friends can betray. Enemies can become loyal. If you trust blindly, your secrets will be used against you. Instead, turn rivals into allies. A converted enemy is often more loyal than a friend. Keep your cards close and let enemies do your bidding. 3. Keep your intentions hidden. Never reveal your plans. The more private you are, the safer and more secure your life. If you show your goals, others will envy you and create obstacles in your path. 4. Speak less than necessary. Words can ruin your power. Silence increases respect. Let others wonder what you think. The fewer your words, the more your presence dominates. 5. Protect your reputation. Your reputation is your most valuable asset. Never compromise it. Be respected publicly. Weakness in front of others invites disrespect. 6. Court attention at all costs. Be visible. Be the center of curiosity. If people talk about you, your value grows. Make sure your presence is felt, even in absence. 7. Get others to do the work. Take credit. Delegate wisely. Let others labor, but the reward is yours. Powerful people always know how to work through others. 8. Make others come to you. Attract people. Create demand for yourself. The more they seek you, the more control you have. People will chase you, giving you influence over them. 9. Win through action, not argument. Talk less, act more. Actions create respect. Arguments create noise. A quiet achiever is far more powerful than a loud debater. 10. Avoid the unlucky and negative. Negativity drags you down. Distance yourself from pessimistic people. They'll only waste your energy. Surround yourself with success, ambition, and positivity. Part 2. Strengthen influence and control. 11. Make people dependent on you. Keep something they need under your control. If everything you have is freely given, your influence disappears. 12. Use honesty to disarm. Be trustworthy in public. People obey those they trust, but never overdo your honesty. Trust is a tool for influence. 13. Use results to gain leverage. Show results, not desperation. Make others feel they gain by helping you. They'll comply because it benefits them. 14. Become a friend, but a spy. Learn about others discreetly. Their strengths and weaknesses become your tools. 15. Crush your enemy completely. A half-defeated foe will return. Leave no room for revenge. Secure your victory fully. 16. Increase value through absence. Disappear strategically. Scarcity builds curiosity and demand. The less available you are, the more powerful you appear. 17. Keep others in suspense. Be unpredictable. Fear is a tool. People respect what they cannot anticipate. 18. Avoid isolation. Power is never absolute in solitude. Surround yourself with capable supporters. 19. Know your enemy. Never challenge someone stronger than you. Gather intelligence, grow power, then act. 20. Be independent. Do not rely fully on one person, one place, or one opportunity. Freedom increases options and leverage. 21. Appear dumber than you are. Let others underestimate you. Hidden intelligence is invisible and dangerous. 22. Turn weakness into strategy. Sometimes surrender is strength. Appear to concede to plan your ultimate victory.
23. Focus on one goal. Energy scattered is wasted. Master one thing to achieve true power. 24. Act as a courtier. Learn others' intentions. Adapt. Use them subtly to your advantage. 25. Recreate yourself. Evolve constantly. New traits, new skills, new static. 26. Keep your hands clean. Let others bear the blame. Appear innocent while others do the dirty work. 27. Use people's needs to your advantage. Give them what they desire. They become obedient. 28. Make bold decisions. Confidence attracts followers. Hesitation breeds doubt. 29. Plan until the end. Know the final outcome before acting. Victory depends on foresight. 30. Show effortlessness. Appear naturally talented. Hide your struggle. People respect effortless mastery. Part 3. Master the mind. Command power. 31. Offer limited choices. People feel free but follow your path. 32. Play on dreams and fantasies. Help them reach what they desire, and they will follow you blindly. 33. Know others' weaknesses. Everyone has vulnerabilities. Use them discreetly. 34. Live like a king command. Respect through presence and demeanor. 35. Understand timing, act at the right moment. Timing can turn the game. 36. Learn to ignore what doesn't serve you. Conserve energy. 37. Let people remember you. Create experiences that make you unforgettable. 38. Blend in. Then stand out, adapt externally. Strategize internally. 39. Stir waters to catch fish, create. Controlled chaos to achieve goals. 40. Avoid free offers. Never accept gifts or favors blindly. They come with hidden strings. For one, don't imitate others. Stand out subtly. Uniqueness breeds respect. 42. Manipulate leaders indirectly control those who control others. Power flows downward. 43. Influence hearts and minds, connect emotionally. People obey those they trust. For 4. Mirror others, reflect. Behavior to gain rapport and influence. For 5. Don't force change, slow. Subtle influence is more powerful than direct control. 46. Make mistakes, strategically show imperfection. Relatability increases influence. 47. Don't overextend once you achieve. Pause. Excess reduces power. 48. Adapt to circumstances. Be like water, flexible, evolving, unstoppable, conclusion powerful and emotional. These 48 laws aren't just about domination. They are about understanding people, the world, and yourself. Master them wisely, and life bends to your strategy. Used recklessly, they can destroy. Remember, power is a skill, not a weapon. Use it to protect, survive, and thrive. If you take just one lesson from this, it's this: your mind is the ultimate battlefield. Command it, and you command the world.
Thank you. Like and subscribe.